So this is what the state of the world looks like right now. We've had a 1 month rally from 175 to 250, a little bit over 250. This has basically historically been a pretty fast rally. Like given we can look at it over here. Every time it's hit these price levels, right over here. It's been a pretty fast rally up in this section. The question here is what happens now, right? Where is the price going on from here? Um, and if you basically look at so like every time you look at charts, you have to look at what happened historically, and that gives us an indicator as to what we can expect in the future. And we have been here before, right? We've been here before two times, it seems, in 2017, 2016. Both Marches, interestingly, both in the March to April um, time zone. Seems to be a weird time for Tesla. And you can see the last time this happened, we came over here, we touched this level of resistance. Um, we actually broke through with this fat green candle over here, the long one showing a lot of demand. It was a good time to go long. Generally, in these kind of situations, you generally want to wait for the pullback and see what the market's trying to do here. So in this case, we had a long red pullback, which is not a good sign if you're going long, because it shows that a lot of people are selling their positions and cashing out, along with the bears who are trying to like go short. So this created a lot of supply out here, and it broke back through resistance, through support, and then you had these indecision candles, basically a little attempt again by the bulls to go up, and then indecision again. So clearly, if you were long, you would want to see small red candles here coming down to support or somewhere around here, and then you'd want a long green candle. Um, but we're not seeing that here, and so the supply wasn't there, the demand wasn't there, and basically the end is when you have this long wick red candle under support is where it's game over for the bulls, and you have this long red candle signaling a change, a reversal, coming back down here. Let's take a look at what happened the next time. So there's a lot of consolidation here. Let's look at what happened next time we reach the same level. um, we again see not a lot of, but like not those big green candles that you like to see, but like you do have a fair amount of like a $4 increase over the support or over resistance. Um, this time, however, you don't see those long red candles. So there are people trying to short the stock at this point of time, but they're not winning. You can tell because there's enough supply, enough demand for these candles to be really short. And we basically come and hit um, support at this point, at this 250 level, and you can see these beautiful long wick candles that are right over support, and you know that's a good sign. We did break down to support, but what I was looking for here is basically this one long green confirmation candle, which is, and then the small red spinning top kind of a candle. So basically, what this is telling you here is that this long green candle is like a good bullish support, that like it was almost $7 rally, right? The market opened at 250, went up to 257, $7 rally, so a lot of demand, indicating a lot of demand. The next day, these people who bought here didn't really sell. Some of them sold, so it got down a little bit, but it didn't really sell that much, and there wasn't a lot of shorting power. So that's when you know, all right, the bulls are in action. It's good to take a long position, and you would have basically ridden this wave all the way up here. So it's exciting times to see, now that we're back at this same level, at the same 250 level over here in 17 July to at 22nd July. 19 July. Sorry, 19 July 2019. Um, it's interesting to see what happens because we do see this long green candle. So a fair amount of bull support. We saw like these small red candles, so like not a lot of bearish. And it's the difference between this time and the last time was that this time is a more stable rise. It's not like those unsustainable spikes. This time it seems like it's been like a stable rise. That's always a good sign if you're trying to go long. It shows it's indicative of a trend. A very clear trending pattern over here. And Yeah, I'm excited to see how the market plays out tomorrow. Definitely going to be looking out um, for those long red candles. If I see long red candles, I'm not going to go long. But if I do see like strong green candles or um, and small red candles, that I'm going to take a long position. If I see just more like small green and red candles, indecision, I'm probably not going to take a position and hold on to see if the markets give me a better sign. So yeah, guys, let's tune back in at the end of the week and see how things played out. Thanks for watching.